Video we will see how to disable Hyper-V hypervisualization on Windows 11 and Windows 10, and to disable or turn off virtualization in Windows 11 and 10. Go to Windows search and type turn Windows feature on or off, and open turn Windows features on or off page. Open it, and here turn Windows feature on or off Windows features page will open. Here scroll down and look for Windows Hypervisor Platform or Windows Hyper-V. Simply uncheck this option and also uncheck Virtual Machine Platform. Both the feature is related with each other, so uncheck both the feature Virtual Machine Platform as well as Windows Hypervisor Platform, and finally click on OK to save the changes. Your Hyper-V feature is duly turned off or disabled.